Don't you just hate it when your toothbrush smells? You know what I mean. I'm talking about that ganky water at the bottom of the toothbrush holder, always smelling after just a few days. So let's take that everyday problem, find a solution that can be turned into a product and eventually a brand in the next 2 minutes. So first thing I'm going to do is go on Google and see what other people are doing in order to stop their toothbrush from smelling. And first thing I'm looking for are these forum-based websites. You've got Quora, you've got Reddit. There's some really great forum places that you can look to see what other people are talking about that everyday problem. As you can see here, thousands of people are writing questions and viewing questions for answers so that they can solve that problem in their own lives. And this is a great way that you can start to see how other people see that problem, what they've done to try and solve it, and that's going to start getting your mind working on potential solutions that you can actually create to help people with this problem. So as you can see here, I'm just scrolling through to find what these problems are, how people are dealing with it. Not only is this great for actual product ideas, but it's also going to give great ideas that you can use for content in order to market your brand down the line. You know, blog posts, TikToks, Reels, the whole lot. Here's another example of where I'd go and look at blogs about that problem as well, see what other blogs are suggesting as potential solutions. And once you've done some market research and confirmed that actually there is a product market fit, the next thing you want to do is look online to see what other potential solutions as products are currently out there. So I usually type in the best X product for this into Google, and that's going to bring me up a whole bunch of Google shopping ads that I can see the best products that are currently trending. But it's also going to take me some blogs which are going to usually have the top 10, the top 20 products in that particular market. That's going to give me a great idea of what's being sold already and what I can do potentially differently that isn't currently out there on the market right now. So I found this product and I've been taken to Amazon just to see exactly how well it's performing. You can see it's got almost 500 reviews, 500 plus people bought that particular product in the past month, and over 1,000 people have viewed it as well. So this is clearly proving to me that this is a product that is fairly sought after and there's a big demand for it. So that's great. That means that people are looking for a solution in the form of a product for this particular problem. So that means there is an opportunity here, a huge opportunity. Next thing you're going to want to do is actually start thinking about how you can differentiate yourself from the products that are already out there. So best places to go are Alibaba, Aliexpress, to start looking at what types of products these suppliers are already selling. So again, you can potentially start looking for different products that are currently not being sold or not being sold in a huge way. And you can start thinking about different combinations of these products that can overall form an incredible product that solves not only one problem, but two. Now, the first product I found, you can see, is actually focusing more on sterilizing the actual toothbrush head. Now, this is also a really important part of this whole problem that we're talking about. Now, not only are people concerned about the toothbrush holder itself, but obviously that being disgusting and that being nasty is making them think that their toothbrush is unclean as well. So that UV cleaner is something that we need to think about, because that is, again, a part of this overall problem and solution. So that's one idea. Now I'm going to dive a little bit deeper into Alibaba just to find a potential solution for the actual holder part of the product. So obviously we found one on Amazon, and as you can see, I found one very, very similar, if not the same, on Alibaba. And as you can see, the cost of this item is incredibly cheap. Now, on Alibaba, you can find direct contact details for the actual supplier, and so you can reach out to them. And what that's going to allow you to do is ask them if they have the option of creating a custom product. Now, it's all well and good taking a product and drop shipping it, but I'm here to tell you that you could actually do more than that. You could create your own unique product and turn that into a brand that solves a major problem. And so what I'm doing is combining multiple different products that are currently available that other people are selling, merging the best of those product ideas into one solution that can be marketed as the all-in-one product to solve that problem. So taking that UV product that we saw a minute ago and taking the toothbrush holder that we can now see and merging them together would be an amazing product that would not only solve the toothbrush head being sterile, but also solve that gunky, horrible water that sits at the bottom of the toothbrush holder. And so you've just solved two problems in one. And from a little bit of market research, I can't see anyone else selling that product. So if you can reach out to multiple of these suppliers that you can all find through places like Alibaba, you could potentially create a product that is not currently on the market, but what you do know is that people are looking for that solution in the masses. So if you want to see other videos just like this, where you can take everyday problems and turn them in to potential products and even brands, follow me for more, because I'm going to be breaking down other everyday problems that you and I experience every single day and finding solutions that can make you millions.